Hey guys, it's Karen from Family Travels on a Budget, and today we're going to talk about packing a carry-on bag. I've had lots of carry-on bags. My first one that I got that I really loved was an e-bags backpack kind of carry-on. It's absolutely indestructible. My two boys have used it going all through college, and it still looks pretty much brand new. I love the bag, except it's a backpack. And going through airports, lugging a backpack gets kind of icky. I don't want to carry 5 days on my back anymore. I want wheels. So I got another carry-on with wheels, and it's super cool, and it looks awesome, and wherever I use it, people are like, wow, that bag is awesome, it's adorable. And yes, it works with my personality, but the problem with it is it's not very big. So I get like 2 days in the bag and I have to carry something else. It's just not big enough. So it's awesome to look good, but it's gotta work too. So I've been looking for the perfect bag. So when the people at Chester Travels contacted me and asked if I wanted to review their bag, I was like, sure, I'll try your luggage. I didn't expect it to be all that different from the bag that I already had. It's right here. It's certainly not the cutest bag, but it's really kind of neat because it's a different color. But I've gotten past the look cute, and now I realize I need a bag that functions. And this bag, which I have to wrestle out of my husband's hands whenever we're both going somewhere, this one fits the bill. It's super awesome. I'm gonna start with packing, and then at the end I'll show you all the other cool features. Thanks. So I packed for a 4-day weekend at the lake for Ellie and me, with 2 swimsuits for each of us, a couple extra changes of clothes because, you know, summer at the lake and you just need extra clothes sometimes. But one of the things that I love about this bag, and the reason it has become my favorite, is this center section. Once you fill both of the sides, you've got this center piece where you can put things that wrinkle and lay them flat, and they just don't move. Once they're in the bag, they go nowhere. So I get where I'm going and my clothes aren't all wrinkled, and I absolutely love it. So let me close Chester back up. By the way, he needs a new name, but I haven't come up with one yet. Now the reason my husband, well, let me stick to me first. I also like the bag because it locks, but it's got a TSA. You can see the TSA keyhole thing. I don't know what to call that, but TSA can get in my bag, but nobody else can. So I can lock it up. It's got my code. I just have to remember it. And then it's got, of course, the ID tag, the easy to raise handle, and it stops at different heights. So depending on what I need, which I like, actually locks in. Still super lightweight. See, one hand, I'm not big. And it spins and it rolls. And my husband doesn't ever want to give it up because he can roll it anywhere in the airport. He can roll it down the sidewalk. He just likes the way it handles. So between the locking, the packs flat, stays put so it doesn't get wrinkled, lightweight, and super duper wheels, this has become our favorite carry-on bag. This is Chester. He needs a name. Go ahead in the comments, let me know what you want to name him, and please follow us on YouTube. I'm not quite where I want to be with it yet, but I'm getting there. Thanks.